everyone, let's paint together this nice, beautiful 15 centimeters or 6 inches mandala maroon shades. So all materials in its description as always. We are finding the center of mandala. I will link video with instruction. And after that, we are making our marks we will work with. So we are making circles every 1 centimeter, and we are making lines every 45 degrees. So we're splitting for half and half, like that, and making circles. You can use tools how it's like much handier for you. I like these ones starting from my school. Yes, so all marks ready, and let's start it. All materials will be in description. I will mix these 3 colors all together with proportion, and it's like nice combination how we can actually mix different colors and get this natural shades: yellow, maroon, and a little bit white for a little bit lighten up our tones. Again, all materials in the description box below this video, and this will be 4 custom colors. You can literally mixing it up and checking yourself out how it works for you. So I decided, firstly I thought 3 enough, but I decided to make first custom color a little bit with more yellow. This, as you see, giving like a little bit shade of like earth, but really nice all together working out. So let's start. This is our second custom color. On a third line I'm placing dot, and within tool, as you see, we just making tails ourselves. So 4 dots and 4 shape of water drops. So with next tool, we are our first custom color. We are walking around. First of all, on the top we are making our dot, and with small brush, as you see on the video, we're just making small strokes around like that. This is our first custom color. Next, the same brush and our third custom color, and we are starting, as you see on the video, with next line, and again towards the center we are making small strokes around. And next one, obviously our fourth custom color. We use all 4 custom colors, and again starting like almost 1 centimeter below, we are making small strokes around the same brush. That way looks like how nice it is, and really light because we add yellow in our custom colors. 5 centimeters from the center we are making big dot, again with thin tool making tail towards the center, adding enough paint if you need, and as you see we are making this between our previous, let's call it flowers patterns, and we just using the same pattern but making really nice, and it's working all together really nice. So this is our fourth, the darkest custom color, and the same trick we are using. So I will use first custom color. I'm making again dot on the top, as you see on a video, and after that with the same first custom color I will make strokes around. Like that, again towards the center between previous flowers. And you see, with small brush, enough paint on brush that really make really long strokes. So don't worry that brush is too small. It's big enough. With our second custom color, as you see, starting almost centimeter below, we are making small strokes around, again going towards the center between previous flowers, and end of the strokes on the top, so we are not making this too wide. This is our third custom color. Again, 1 centimeter below, the same brush and moving the same way, like that, really nice. And if you got enough space, as I do, I'm again using the darkest custom color, 1 centimeter below. I'm starting more strokes, but leave enough space between flowers, so black will give us separation between strokes, like that. So again, between, we are using this line, as you see, second line from the edge. The same way, first custom color, I'm making big dots and making small tails. I'm not going too far because we already got flowers below, so we can't mix, and I don't want to mix together, but I'm technically using the same trick. And with our second custom color, on the last line, I'm making dots on the top, as you see on the video. And again, with small brush, really careful, I don't want to combine these flowers. Small strokes around. And moving like that. Don't combine flowers, so be careful at the end of the strokes. After that, I'm using our third custom color. I'm going a little bit up, as you see, and I'm pressing a little bit more on a brush, so my strokes a little bit wider this way. And next, our third custom color, first custom color, and you see I'm making these strokes a little bit open. That's why I'm starting a little bit far, not too close to the previous strokes. Next one is second custom color. Again, open stroke like that, just to work out with our space that we got at the edge of our mandala, like that. Really nice. And I adore this combination of colors. And after that, the darkest one, again, as you see, I'm starting a little bit wider, and I'm looking at between flowers now. I wanna make it as similar as I can for mandala to work all together. And after that, our third custom color, and I'm starting almost on the top, as you see on the video, on this second row of flowers. So this is our third custom color, and really nice, open, big flowers, but really simple, as you see. And now I want to add a little bit dark, our darkest color, fourth custom color. Again, do it like you see on the video. Because I got some space, I decided to go this way to work with space. And look how beautiful it is. And now I need to wait until it's dry out. It's amazing already, but we can add some 3D drops to make it even more interesting and lighten up a little bit. So as you see, it's dried out, really nice looking. You can leave it like that definitely, but if you want to add some details, we can work with 3D drops. I use bronze, not yellow gold, but bronze. I like this combination. You can use it other way, something else that you prefer. So big one at the center, and as you see, I'm placing small ones on this center of our first row of flowers, and with the same thin tool making tails. And the same way, because our pattern is so similar, so amazingly simple but beautiful, I'm making these tails again. The same thin tool. And I want to play a little bit more between flowers because we got some space. But firstly, I want to complete this with the same way, placing at the center of flowers 3D drops. And after that, I can see what I want to add more. So you can again leave it like that, but I want to play a little bit more with these spaces. So I'm adding just small drops and making like additional strokes, but this time with these bronze drops, like that. Just to play with this space and making like this a little bit more interesting, like that. And I decided to add small ones like that on the top between flowers, really working out. As you see, we are playing with space, with black space, but at the same time adding like details and just small details, a little bit more. So you can choose yourself, definitely play with the space and create something that uses just inspiration. So hope you enjoy this video, hope you enjoy this pattern, hope you enjoy your painting. See you next one. Please press like button, subscribe, and see you